Hello po, welcome to Mystic Oracle Tarot PH po. And yung reading natin po today is for April the 3rd. Kasi yung April the 3rd po, according to the horoscope, it's for Mercury trine Jupiter. So this is where you doing something, or if you're in the business of dealing, selling, and things like that, you go beyond out of your comfort zone. Okay? Gagawin mo talaga lahat ng paraan para makuha mo lang to. So this is the day that you're going to risk it. Okay? Na syempre, hindi ka din magpadalos-dalos kasi it might bounce back at the end. Magsisisi ka. Okay? Ito po yung araw na you are going to try it out on your comfort zone. I just want to remind you po na this is just a general collective reading lang po. So, hindi lahat makaka-resonate po, okay? So, kunin nyo lang po yung mensahe na makaka-resonate po kayo. And also po, bago matapos yung reading po, sana continue nyo pa rin ako suportahan sa channel ko po to build it back again. And if you know someone that can resonate this message po, please also share it with them. And hopefully they will also support me as well. And don't forget to comment, like, as well if you feel like it. And be nice to your words as well if you comment. Be kind, everyone. Okay po, kasi nandito lang naman po ako to give the message po from the divine spirits that they want you to know. Okay, let's begin your reading. Okay. Meron tayong Knight of Swords. Sorry. Okay. Okay. Meron tayong King of Cups. Oh, puro King, ha? Okay. You are really good finding a solution sa problema mo. Masusolve mo siya. Makakahanap ka lagi ng solusyon. Kasi binabalance mo siya eh. Iniisip mo siya, pinaplano mo siya, kung paano mo to siya. You are good with your strategize. Kasi kung feel mo siya na hindi siya mag-workout, hindi mo siya ituloy yung ano na yun, kasi hindi yan magpa-progress. You are really good in planning. Kaya pala, in April the 3rd, you are really full for this one. It really falls on you. This is your reading na you will maghahanap ka talaga ng paraan na kung yung isang solusyon na tingin mo hindi siya magpa-progress, you go beyond, you go deep dive yung ano mo na makahanap ka ng solusyon. You're really good. So, this reading is really for you, whoever you are. Meron tayong the Sun. Okay. Kasi, syempre, gusto mo na maging successful ka. 'Di ba? You don't want nga, nagpaplano ka naman, tapos, you do everything, lahat ginawa mo. Tapos, at the end, wala lang pala, na failed lang pala. So, parang binibase mo based on your experience as well, on your past, tapos binabalance mo din siya. So, it is really good. You're really good doing. And the Sun, what does that tell you? You grow out of that experience in the past. You know how to balance already. That's why magiging successful ka sa plano mo. Meron tayong Queen of Cups. Sometimes, no, pag magdi-deep dive ka sa sarili mo, like, you're talking to yourself, no? Mahanap mo yung inner na, inner, anong tawag nun? Inner, yung parang knowledge. The more you think a lot deeper and deeper, that's where you find your talent that you are gifted in sa solution to find the solution. Queen of Cups also bring good message as well. This is also a good makaka-receive ko din ng message. And yeah, this is a very quick madalian to na solusyon. Madalian to siya na problema na masosolve to siya. Sobra daling-dali. Mabilis mo siya masosolve kaya maging successful ka whatever is that. I'm not quite too sure if you're something to do with sa business mo or something na you're dealing with like buy and sell, it could be anything in that situation, in that area, but you're good at it. Magiging successful ka. Oh my gosh, you're really good. You know what you're doing. 10 of Wands. Achievement, ma-achieve mo yan. Ma-achieve mo, magiging successful ka. But you also, you need to think also that hindi maapektuhan din yan in the long run. No? Okay? Kasi yun yung sinasabi ng 10 of Wands. It is a risky what you plan, even though na at the end magiging successful ka, mag-careful ka lang kasi there might be a hiccup na ma-encounter tapos medyo maapektuhan ka ng konti, okay? Especially if this is buy and sell, we're talking about financial, okay? We're talking about money, so just be careful lang at the same time, okay? Yun yung sinasabi po dyan. But you are really good. Oh, wow. Saludo ako sa iyo, whoever you are. You are really good in solving the problem. Okay. Ano pa? Okay. Meron tayong The Magician. Oh, itong hiccup na to is parang surprise lang, out of nowhere. Ma-encounter mo to siya. Okay? Hindi to magbibigay sa'yo na, hang on a minute, sandali, may problema. No. Sadyang darating siya na, surprise to siya na hiccup. Okay? So, hindi mo siya, malalaman mo lang to siya on the spot. So, hinay-hinay lang. So, even though you're risking it, even though na alam mo magiging successful yan, which is, you're going to be successful. So, ano lang po, be mindful lang talaga na you have to accept the unexpected. Kuha muna tayo. We'll get more. Sorry about my background, everyone. My dog is barking outside and someone just went past sa bahay. Okay. Meron tayong 9 of Wands. Yeah, 9 of Wands. You're very resourceful. Kasi, ano ka na eh, experiencado ka na to eh. Ito yung line of work mo sa buhay mo. Ito yung career mo. Kaya pala magaling ka when it comes to strategize, when it comes to problem solving. Yeah, magaling ka. You're very good. Kaya, you are willing to step out of your comfort zone. Tapos magiging successful ka, then successful ka. Kasi ang ganda mo talaga pinaplano mo siya eh, ng maigi. Hindi kayong basta-basta ka lang na, okay, I'll take that one and then tapos at the end, wala naman, bagsak naman. So, you learn from your past, tapos binabalance mo siya, tapos at the end, successful ka. Wow, ang ganda. Meron tayong 8 of Pentacles. Your hard work, mapapaid off yan. Magiging successful ka talaga. Magiging ano ka nito, masaya. Kasi it worked out. And you taking a risk. Yeah, a big risk. Pero at the end, there you go. It's all yours. Magiging successful ka pa, magiging overconfidence ka pa, kasi you got through. You did it. Ito yung work na you work hard for it. Talagang you study well yung paano mo to siya talaga na mag-workout talaga siya. It's really good. Okay, meron tayong 3 of Pentacles. Yeah, you're skilled. You're talented. Like I said earlier, this is where this is your line of your career. Ito na yung you were born with it. Kaya ang galing na galing mo kahit papaano, kahit may hiccups pa yan, you always find a way. At saka, you are really an ambition type of person as well. Kasi, pag medyo madelay yung yung sitwasyon no, hindi ka talaga nag-give up. Hala, sige ka lang, follow up ka ng follow up, ganyan. If it's a paperwork, sige, magpa-follow up ka niyan non-stop. Kinukulit mo sila. Yeah, and you are so ambitious na ka talaga na gusto mo pa kung ano yung na-experience mo, you want more. You want to level up pa more. So it's really good. And you're in the right path. Meron tayong 7 of Cups. Ito yung mga kahit may mga opportunity nagbubukas sa no, you always take it. You always tried. Napaka open-minded mo. Kung may opportunity na ipipresent sa no, you always take a look at it. Tapos you always took a risk. Siya, okay, I'll take it. I will try it. Yun ikaw yung type, yan yung type na person ka, na tao. Parang feel ko may isa pa. Yung pagka-ambition mo, no? Ambitious, kasi napaka-ambitious mo. So, for that area, no? Magiging ka pa, even more successful. Sa buhay mo, sa career mo. Parang I feel like something is telling me like in the long run, if you continue to do it that way, magiging mayaman ka. Yung sinasabi, yung pumasok sa ko, isip ko, yun yung sinasabi, yung sa akin. Bigla lang na lumabas. Yun yung energy na yan. In the long run, if you continue to do it, magiging mayaman ka daw in the future. Wow, ang ganda ng reading mo. Ang ganda ng mga cards mo. Okay, meron tayong Knight of Wands. Yeah, mayroon tayong Knight of Wands. See? You're always open with new opportunity. Kung ano yung ipipresent mo, kung ano mo talaga siya, you always take a risk to do it. Wala kang, wala kang, kahit may hindrance ka pa niyan, no? Wala kang K, wala kang pakialam. Basta iniisip mo lang, nag-i-suggest ka talaga na, pinaplano mo yan well, bago ka mag-push, bago mo siya umpisahan, bago ka you enter that new opportunity. You study it well. Ang ganda ng mo, you were born to be like this. Napaka mo talaga, courage mo, grabe, super strong yung courage mo. At saka may news kang ma-receive as well. May news ka na ma-receive. Yun yung sinasabi ni Knight of Wands as well. Okay? May news ka na darating. Yan lang talaga ang naano ko. Yan lang ang energy na nakukunik ko po. I hope you enjoy this reading. I hope someone can resonate this. And please also continue to help me build my channel back again and support me. And thanks for watching, everyone. I will see you in my next reading. Bye for now.